Introduction. New materials. The purpose of chemistry is to make new materials that will enhance our lifestyle and ensure our survival. The chemical industry uses raw materials obtained from the earth, the sea and the air, and converts them into useful products. These processes involve chemical reactions to convert reactant molecules into product molecules. The properties of a material depend upon its structure and the forces of attraction that exist between its particles. By understanding the atomic and molecular structure of materials, scientists can develop new materials to meet the demands of the future. What are smart materials? A smart material is a material whose properties change in response to changes in its surroundings. Smart materials respond to changes of light, temperature or pH, or to an external stimulus such as an applied force.